How can I become a teacher in Thailand? What's up mga kanaisers? Sa video ito, sasabihin ko sa inyo paano makapagturo dito sa Thailand, ano ang kailangan i-prepare, at ano ang mga kailangan tandaan. Sa tingin ko, ang number one job for Filipinos dito sa Thailand ay ang pagiging teacher. Of course, there are other jobs for Filipinos. You can see it in this video right here. Pero sa aking experience, mas marami akong mga nakikitang teacher or nakakasalamuhang teacher kaysa ibang profession. Ngayon, on the screen, I will list down some questions na parating tinatanong ng mga nag-i-inquire on how to become a teacher in Thailand. These are just common questions and I will answer them one by one para mas clear sa inyo. Okay, simulan na natin. Pwede ba akong magturo kahit fresh graduate ako? The answer to that is yes. Pwede ka magturo kahit na ikaw ay fresh graduate pa lang ng college. There are schools that will hire you as a teacher or a teaching assistant kahit na no experience and fresh graduate ka pa lang. Pwede ba akong magturo kahit na hindi ako education graduate? The answer to that is yes. Personally, hindi ako graduate ng education degree, pero it's better if you have an education degree kasi yun yung mas hanap nila. If you are not a graduate of education degree, they will still grant you some temporary teaching license, but you need to work on your education degree or teaching diploma while you are working to work long term. Required ba na marunong ako magsalita ng Thai language if gusto ko magturo sa Thailand? The answer to that is no. Hindi mo kailangan magsalita ng Thai dito kasi most of the teachers are English teachers. That means they are encouraged to just speak English sa mga students nila. In international schools, you should not be talking to your students in Thai kasi you are in an international school and you are encouraged to speak in English to them. Hindi ako let passer. Makakapagturo pa din ba ako sa Thailand? The answer to that is yes. Hindi ako education graduate, so naturally, hindi ako nakapag-let. That means wala akong license to teach in the Philippines, but I'm still able to teach here sa Thailand. Why? Because they are granting temporary licenses sa mga teachers na hindi education graduate while they are working on their teaching diploma or additional degree sa education. Of course, mas preferred nila ang merong license or teaching license, but if you don't, then there is grace for you. I don't have any experience maliban sa OJT. Possible pa din ba na mag-teach ako sa Thailand? The answer to that is yes. Of course, possible pa rin na makapagturo ka dito sa Thailand. Hindi mo kailangan ng experience, but it would be advantageous if meron kang teaching experience sa Pinas or anywhere else. Anong subjects ang pwede kong ituro? The answer to that is kung ano ang major mo. If you are major in English, then teach English. If you're major in math, then teach math. Science for science, and MAPE, PE, music, and so much more. However, there are teachers na required na mga schools to teach multiple subjects like math, English, and science at the same time, or other subjects. Personally, I'm an art teacher even though I don't have a degree in MAPE, pero I have a degree in design. So, I am able to teach arts sa mga estudyante ko. Kung ikaw ay major in English, pero sinabi ng school mo na you need to teach math, then of course, naturally, kailangan mong mag-study at kailangan mong magturo ng math sa mga estudyante mo. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na I don't want unless meron kang negotiation with a school about that or unless meron kang specific role na English teacher ka lang or math teacher ka lang or science teacher ka lang. In Thai schools, you have to be multi-talented. In international schools, you have a specialty sa tuturuan mo. Ano ang mga pwedeng ituro ng mga Pinoy dito sa Thailand? English, math, science, biology, physics, art, music, ICT, and many more. Magkano ang sweldo ng mga teachers sa Thailand? Depende yan sa kung anong job offer ang tinanggap mo. Merong mga teachers na tumatanggap ng 15K, merong mga teachers na tumatanggap ng 18K, and merong mga teachers na tumatanggap ng more than 30K. However, I would encourage you na huwag kayong tumanggap ng mga sahod na below 25,000 kasi you are still living here in Thailand, gumagastos kayo, nagpapadala kayo sa Pinas, and it would be better if you take on a higher salary. Ano ang kaibahan ng international schools at Thai schools? Ang kaibahan ng international schools at Thai schools ay ang kanilang mga curriculum. International schools follow British, American, Australian, Japanese, Korean, and other curriculums, depende sa school. And Thai schools, they follow the Thai curriculum. Of course, the difference are also in the holidays and the base pay. Generally, mas mataas ang sweldo ng mga teachers na nag-work sa international schools, and sa Thai schools naman, generally, mas mababa. Pero there are exceptions because there are also Thai schools na malaki ang bigayan sa mga teachers, especially if matagal ka nang nag-work doon. In international schools, 12 months ang pasahod. Some government schools or some Thai schools, 10 months to 11 months lang ang pasahod. Pero there are also schools that will offer 12 months. Be sure to be wise in accepting job offers, especially if you don't have enough to fall back on kapag holiday. Be careful to accept job offers. Huwag tanggapin lahat-lahat kung alam mo naman na hindi ka magiging happy in the long term. Kailan ang hiring seasons ng school? Ang hiring seasons ng schools ay depende kung international school or Thai school. For international school, hiring seasons will be during the months of May, June, or July, and even early August. For Thai schools, the hiring season will be around October. Ano mga documents ang need kong i-prepare para makapag-teach sa Thailand? Okay, you need to prepare your diploma in high school, diploma in college, and even your transcript of records. You need to get them apostilled sa embassy. You need to get them apostilled dyan sa CHED para pagdating dito, hindi ka na mahirapan. Now, why do we need the records in high school kung magtuturo naman ako at meron naman akong bachelor's degree? The answer to that is it's complicated. Recently sa Thailand, merong mga bagong requirements to get the professional teaching license or the permanent teaching license dito. And one of those requirements is proof na graduate ka ng high school. I'm just saying that you need to prepare as much as you can para hindi ka na mahirapan pagdating dito. Magastos ang mag-process kung pabalik-balik ng papeles papuntang Pinas. So make sure na you are ready when you come here. And one last thing, some schools require this, NBI clearance. Not all schools require this, pero meron mga schools na nagre-require ng NBI clearance also. Sa Bangkok lang ba ako pwedeng magturo? The answer to that is no. You can also teach in other provinces ng Thailand. Although mas maganda ang pasahod generally kapag nandito ka sa Bangkok. Pero lower ang cost of living sa other parts of Thailand, lalo na sa mga provinces and even remote areas. However, be careful kasi not all schools are legit. So do your due diligence when you are hired. If the offer is too good to be true, then most likely it's a scam. Research first, ask some friends who are in Thailand, ask the community of Filipinos here in Thailand if legit bang school, and they will give recommendations to you. May agency ba sa Pilipinas na nagre-recruit ng teachers for Thailand? The answer to that is yes and no. Sa pagkakaalam ko, walang mga POEA-approved na agencies na nag-hire ng teachers from Philippines to Thailand. If there are agencies, then they're small time and they can only offer you some jobs na limited lang din, and there are also limited slots. However, some schools will hire you from the Philippines. Sila na mag-handle ng tickets nyo, sila na mag-handle ng processing ng working visa, sila na mag-handle ng mga other miscellaneous documents na kailangan nyo to be hired or to go to Bangkok or to go to Thailand, wherever you are hired. If you have other questions about how to teach in Thailand, comment down below kasi hindi ko alam kung anong specific questions ninyo. Maybe it's something na related only to your case. So just drop a comment down below and I will answer them. And I hope na nakahelp itong video na to sa inyong job search. See you next time. Peace!